To work a knitted cast on, you're going to need to start with a slip knot. So I'm gonna make an easy slip knot. There's another video on this channel for how to make slip knots if you've never done that before. So for efficiency's sake, I'm just gonna make my slip knot, leaving about a 4-inch tail. Next, what we're gonna do is turn the needle that has our slip knot on it to the left. So we're gonna hold that in position just like we would our left-hand knitting needle in any other knitting project. Now, working into this single slip knot that we have, we're going to work a regular old knit stitch. So yarning over and bringing that loop through. To finish casting on this next stitch, we need to lengthen that loop we just knit onto our right-hand needle and then pass it back onto the left-hand needle, but with a twist. So to get that twist, we're gonna put the left tip through what's now, with that twist we did in our right-hand needle, we're gonna put our left tip through the leg on the front of the right-hand needle, drop the right-hand needle off, and then pull the working yarn to tighten. Let me show you that again, because the technique we used for making this first stitch after the slip knot is what we're gonna do every single time we cast on another stitch using a knitted cast on. So we'll yarn over, making a knit stitch like normal, but instead of just leaving it on our right-hand needle, we'll lengthen that loop and pass it back onto the left-hand needle with a twist before tightening the loop and dropping the right needle out of the picture. And again, knit stitch like normal, lengthen that loop, pass it back to the left needle with a twist before tightening it. And then let's do an even 5 or a round 5, an odd 5 stitch, an odd 5th stitch, just to show you one more time how that works. Again, regular knitted stitch, lengthen the loop, and pass it back to the left-hand needle with a twist. And this is how it should look. The last 2 stitches at the end of your first set, at the end of your set of knitted cast on stitches, kind of cross over each other. So just keep that in mind when you go to start knitting the rest of your project.